This is Clayton from Sprinkler Master. Today I'm going to show you how to replace any broken sprinkler head or any sprinkler head that's not functioning the way that you want it. Obviously the one that I have here isn't underground, but I have it here so that I can show you a little bit more of how it works. Luckily, replacing sprinkler heads is always super easy. The first thing you need to do is figure out what kind of sprinkler it is that you're using and that you're trying to replace. If it's a rotor sprinkler, those come up and then the top of the head rotates around and then it goes back down when it's finished. A pop-up sprinkler will pop up and there's no rotating or any really moving parts other than that up and down motion, and there's usually a slit of horizontal water that sprinkles out across usually a parking strip. And the last type that it can be is an impact sprinkler, which are kind of your classic sprinklers. The hammer hits the water stream and you can hear that typical noise. Once you know what type of sprinkler it is that you're trying to replace, all you need to do is get another sprinkler of that type. So if you're replacing a rotor sprinkler, make sure you're putting your rotor sprinkler in the same place. If you're replacing a pop-up, make sure you put a pop-up there. And for an impact sprinkler, replace it with an impact sprinkler. It doesn't really matter what brand it is, but usually at Sprinkler Master Repair, we like to use Rainbird sprinkler heads because they just seem to last longer and work a little bit better for what we use them for. Once you have a replacement sprinkler, all you have to do is grab the sprinkler housing of the sprinkler you're replacing, rotate it in a circle to pack in the dirt so it doesn't fall into the fitting and also give you a little bit more room. Grab the housing. Once you've rotated it, go ahead and rotate the one that you're replacing counterclockwise until you feel it come off of the fitting. When it comes off the fitting, just pull it up, pull it out of the hole, remove it, grab your replacement sprinkler head. All you're gonna do is drop it into the same hole and the fittings will all line up, and you just need to rotate clockwise until you feel it tighten down. That's all you need to do to replace a sprinkler head, and from there all you need to do is adjust it. If you'd like to learn more about how to adjust the different types of sprinklers and the different brands and how they all work, go ahead and check out the playlist down below that's linked. Or if you'd like to learn more about the full range of sprinkler services that Sprinkler Master offers, and to find out if we have a location near you, go ahead and click the link in the description, sprinklermaster.repair, to learn more.